Welcome to Sunil Excel Tricks, guys. Subscribe to my channel and learn and grow with me. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the lower formula in the Excel. So equals LOWR lower, open the bracket and select where is your content is there or where you want to change into lower. Select and close the bracket. You can see all the letters has become lower. For your reference, equals lower, cell reference and close the bracket. Friends, please, if you like it, please share it, and if you want to learn something new, please comment in the comment section. I will get you all the videos as soon as possible. And today I will teach you how to use the proper in our Excel. So if you can see, there are improper letters in the left hand side. So with a very simple very simple formula we can use, and we will make it can be proper. So it is very simple. Is equal to, you need to just type it PROPER proper and open the bracket and select the cell where it is there and close the bracket and enter. So as you can see, it is every letter become guys. Now I'm for your reference, I am giving you formula also how to use in future. If you can pause and ask that how, if you typed all into lowercase, how you will do it. So everyone has said we will delete it and we will type it again, but today I'm going to teach you just simply you type it equal upper, open the bracket, where is the content, you just select and close the bracket. It is very simple. See, everything is converted into uppercase. So I'm giving you the reference equals upper, open bracket and cell reference where the content is there, and you can close the bracket and you will get into uppercase. Very simple.